Today, let's go ahead and learn how to download songs on Spotify without premium in 2023. So in this video, I'll go ahead and guide you guys through on how you can go ahead and download songs on Spotify without having premium. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is look for a song that you want to go ahead and download. Now, I actually have a few songs here that I do listen to. Now, we're going to go ahead and pick a song, and what we're going to go ahead and do is add it to a playlist. So go ahead, add a song to a playlist, and we're going to make this playlist new playlist. Now we're just going to give this this playlist a name, and it's going to be called Never Let Go of Me. So we're going to go ahead and create the playlist, and you can see that the playlist is now created. Now let's go ahead and add another song here. Let's go ahead and add Genesis, and we're going to add this to our playlist. And if we go ahead and search for the Never Let Go of Me playlist, go ahead and put that there. So now that you've actually added your songs to a playlist, all you have to do now is head to your library. Now, basically, all you have to do here now is go to your playlist, and you're going to want to search for the playlist that you have now created. So I actually have the Never Let Go of Me playlist right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Now, once you go ahead and click on it, all of your songs should now appear right here. Now, basically, if you want to go ahead and download these songs without Spotify Premium, all you have to go ahead and do is click on the little arrow in a circle. Now, make sure you go ahead and click on that. And once you actually go ahead and click on it, it's actually going to start downloading all of these songs that you want downloaded. So you can see here that our songs now have a green arrow pointing down on them. So that means that your songs have now been successfully downloaded and are now accessible offline. So it's fairly easy to do, guys, and it's pretty simple. But with that being said, hopefully you found this video extremely helpful, and if you haven't already, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. But with that being said, guys, I'll go ahead and see you guys next time.